In today's video, I'm going to teach you delete individual searches. This is a quick, simple way to tidy up your YouTube search history when you only want to remove specific terms rather than clearing everything. It's helpful for privacy, keeps your suggestions relevant, and makes your recent searches list cleaner and easier to navigate. Start by opening the YouTube browser on your device. This just means launching YouTube the way you normally access it in your mobile browser or directly in the app's built-in browser view. Once YouTube is open, make sure you're on the main screen so you can easily reach the search bar. If you're signed in to your account, the changes you make will usually carry over to your other devices where you're also signed in. If you're not signed in, the changes affect only the device you're using. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. As soon as you tap it, your keyboard will appear, and right below the search bar, you'll see a list of your recent searches. This list shows terms you've typed in previously to help you jump back to something quickly. If you don't see anything, it could mean you haven't searched recently on this device, your search history is paused, or you might just need to wait a moment for the list to load. Now, look closely at each item in that recent searches list. You'll notice a small X next to each search term. To delete a specific search, simply tap the X next to the one you no longer want to keep. The item will disappear immediately from the list. There's no extra confirmation, so tap carefully because once you remove it, it's gone from your recent searches. You can repeat this for as many entries as you like, one by one, until your list only shows the terms you want to keep. If you change your mind later, you can always search for that term again, and it will reappear as a new recent search. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the X isn't showing, try scrolling the list or tapping the search bar once more to refresh the view. If your internet connection is spotty, give it a second to load. And remember, removing a search term from this list doesn't delete your watch history or block future recommendations by itself. It simply clears that specific entry from your recent searches. That's all there is to it. Open YouTube, tap the search bar, and remove any individual searches by tapping the X next to them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more private search experience.